Today is the day to make a perfect and pleasing appetizer in just 5 minutes. Hi everyone, it's Rozina and welcome back to my kitchen. If you are new here, you're watching Let's Cook with Rozina. Marinated feta cheese is so delicious and unexpected delight for your next party. My version of marinated feta cheese is very quick, easy, and of course very delicious, and no need to cook. I promise you make this for your next party and it will be a hit. Trust me. Anyway, this is one of my absolute favorites as an appetizer. I'm so excited to share this amazing appetizer with you today. Marinated feta cheese can be part of your cheese board, can be a cute and unique food gift in a beautiful bottle, just like this. You can use marinated feta cheese for dressing salads or adding to pasta. Also add to any sandwiches or wraps and for topping grilled chicken or fish. So please join me in this episode and let me show you how to make a delicious and simple marinated feta cheese just in 5 minutes. Here is what you need for making this recipe. A block of feta cheese. Alternatively, you can use mozzarella, goat cheese or French white cheese. We got a few pearl onions or shallots, zest of a beautiful lemon, and also we got virgin olive oil. Here we got my home planted mint, rosemary, and a few sprigs of fragrant thyme. And I love the taste of these herbs, but please don't be afraid to experiment with different herbs and spices such as chives, oregano, basil, olives, and garlic. So use whatever you love and try different combinations to find what you like. And finally, we got red chilies here. Here I have my chopping board for cutting herbs. I got 2 mint stems, 2 stems of fresh rosemary, and 2 or 3 stems of fresh thyme. What I'm doing is remove leaves of rosemary, thyme, and mint from stems. And then I use a knife and chop these fresh, aromatic, and beautiful herbs finely to taste. You know, guys, these are my favorite herbs to marinate my feta cheese. But you know, there are other fresh or dried herbs if you're looking to pair with cheese, such as sage, chives, basil, parsley, tarragon, oregano, or spring onion. Now I'm going to add chopped herbs into a bowl. Yes, perfect. Slice top of the onions and peel and keep it whole. Hold it firmly and slice onions into rings or lengthwise. I prefer slice them into ring shape and then add sliced onions to herbs in the bowl. Okay, in next step, I add ½ a teaspoon of red chili flakes to the bowl. And now I'm going to zest a lemon. So I place the grater over a cutting board, holding the grater by hand and push the lemon away from the rough side of the grater. And now lemon peel is ready. Go to the bowl with herbs and onions. Well, our marinated feta cheese is nearly done. So now I'm going to add cheese cubes to the bowl and then pour high quality extra virgin olive oil over the cheese mixture and fully submerged cheese and aromatic ingredients. Then gently give a stir and mix all ingredients together. Now I'm going to grab a clean wide-mouthed glass jar that has a lid and pack the jar with cubed cheese and aromatics. Cover the cheese with lid and allow it to marinate in the refrigerator for 1 hour or overnight. And remember, the longer you let the cheese marinate, the more flavorful it gets. Marinating feta cheese in olive oil and fresh herbs lasts in the fridge for a good 2 weeks. Perfect. Please pick up your free book that I have left just for you with 5 easy and delicious rice recipes to help you with cooking. I leave a link in description box and you can click it and get it. Marinated feta cheese in virgin olive oil, aromatic herbs, and lemon peel is delicacy appetizer, and it's best to make ahead and serve at room temperature. Serve marinated feta cheese with your favorite bread like toasted bread or a slice of fresh baguette or sourdough bread or your favorite crackers. Yum! If you like this recipe, please don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for joining us today. Please share this video with your friends. It's not difficult for you. If you like cheese, please have a look to description box as I have easy and delicious ideas for you. Have a good one. God bless and lots of love. Bye.